We are in downtown Toronto, right in the middle of the heart of the city, in my client's condo, and it was in need of a refresh. The unit has always been a rental. My client was renting it for quite some time and then decided to buy it. She basically said to me, the place is a disaster. I mean, there were also huge storage issues. It's a small space, but it's also really inspiring to see what you can accomplish in a space that's under 600 square feet. One of the first things we did was the kitchen, but it was just not functional. There was a very strange, portable, movable island on casters that was just plopped in the middle of the room. Love this amazing Miami Vice curve. It looks great, but it doesn't allow for a lot of storage, and it sort of takes up a lot of space in the room and becomes a dumping ground, as you can see. No island, I can dance. There is so much space in here. I feel like, I mean, it's not bigger because it's not like we knocked down a wall, but it feels so much bigger in here. And this is all brand new storage for my client. Like, she can put all her stuff in here and it's very well organized because, I mean, I've looked through her drawers. No, I have. One of the decorative touches in here is installing the pendant above the sink. I mean, we don't have any windows facing out to a luscious garden, but again, it sort of breaks up this wall of cabinetry. Otherwise, I think even if we included a smaller cabinet in here, it would have felt a little too overwhelming. I made sure to lay out and include a small L-shaped peninsula, which gave her double, I would say actually even triple the storage. It gave her a work surface, plus it gave her a little space for her to be able to sit and have breakfast or lunch, or even a spot for when she's entertaining friends or family. The living room is actually a very good size considering the size of the overall unit. But the problems in this space were obviously storage, organization, and lighting. One of the things that I did after designing the kitchen was the built-ins on the TV wall. It gives my client ample storage for all of her books as well as some of her other accessories. One of the other key things that was incorporated into this built-in is the lighting as well, the puck lights. And oh, let's not forget this awesome custom little niche that I designed so she can pull out these ottomans when she's got friends or family over. She can also use this ottoman as extra seating in the dining space, and then when she's done with it, she just sort of tucks it in to here and voila. The dining room mostly just received maybe I would say cosmetic changes. This is a full 48-inch diameter table. It sits 4 very comfortably. We added pot lights in the bulkhead, which are essential. We added a little bit of drama and wow factor by painting out this wall a very, very dark, rich green. I originally wanted to paint it blue. It was her idea to paint it green. So it's like, listen to your clients sometimes because they have good ideas. This beautiful mirror as well. And then this credenza, which she hides her work stuff in here, printer, paper, files, and then these cupboards as well hide away a lot of her linens and dinnerware. Including round tables in small spaces is great because it promotes a sense of flow, and I think it works wonderfully in here, particularly as there's that little bit of that bump out near the windows. So even if she's got, you know, a large party or more people over, she can slide that table easily into that nook and create even more space for her. The bedroom design started with tackling the custom wardrobes. They were builder closets and huge issues in the sense that there was literally no built-in storage. I'm not actually going to open this door because it will fall off its hinges, it's loose. But this is the only closet space that my client has, so super tiny. By customizing them, I was able to give my client the storage that she desperately needed. So this is all for long hanging in here, all her dresses, shirts, blouses. This in here is for all her folded items as well. And then in here are pull-out drawers, and she's got all her jewelry in here. Oh, storage, so this bed is on hydraulics. So she fits all her like winter crap. It's all hidden in there. So again, like storage is key. And you can't forget the zhuzh, especially in a bedroom. My client was totally game for wallpaper from the get-go. We went through a couple of different options. I initially wanted to do something a little bit more bright and vibrant, but I'm glad we both settled on this very dramatic option. It grounds the space and provides a little bit more wow factor in this small little bedroom.
And
the bathroom. Oh my God, it's a show. Okay. Okay, so let's move into the bathroom. This screams 15 years ago. This kind of looks like a spaceship. You really cannot fit a lot of stuff under that vanity. It takes up a lot of space in the room. And removing all of this tile in the shower as well, giving my client a nicer and upgraded shower head. This one's seen better days. It was fine back then, but it doesn't give for a good showering experience. The bathroom received a complete overhaul, including new vanity, brand new tile, tub, shower panel, as well as a medicine cabinet. We gave her ample lighting, light in the shower, added an overhead pot light obviously in the ceiling, and then these two beautiful sconces on either side of the medicine cabinet. Storage solution was saved by adding a new vanity as well. Now the bathroom is updated, modern, and organized, and my client is able to just tuck away all her bathroom essentials behind closed doors. This has been a fantastic project to work on. My client is amazing. She was totally open to any and all ideas, and it was really a collaborative effort. It's kind of shocking for me to refer back to the old pictures and videos, because when you're working on a project and you're, doing this for months and months and months, you sort of forget what it looked like before. The space is so calm and so serene, but also full of her personality.